In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to Steam Remote Play Together. Remote Play Together lets you stream a game from your computer to your friends over the internet. So they can jump into local co-op or split-screen sessions without owning the game. One person hosts, and everyone else connects through Steam, sharing your screen, and, if you allow it, your inputs. First, make sure your game supports this feature. Open the games page in the Steam store and look at the features list on the right. You should see Remote Play Together listed there. If it's missing, the game likely won't work with this method. As a general rule, local multiplayer or couch co-op titles are great candidates. Next, enable Remote Play in Steam. Open Steam, go to Settings, then choose Remote Play. Toggle Enable Remote Play to the on position. This tells Steam you are ready to host or join sessions. If you don't see the option right away, make sure Steam is updated, then try again. Now launch the game on the computer that will host. This machine runs the game and streams it to everyone else, so it's best if it's wired to the internet and has any controllers or peripherals plugged in before you start. That helps the game detect inputs correctly as soon as your friends connect. When you are in the game, open the Steam overlay by pressing Shift and Tab. From your friends list, right-click the person you want to invite and select Remote Play Together. They'll receive an invite to join your session. If your friend isn't on your list or you want to share more broadly, select Invite Anyone to Play to generate a link you can send directly. The link makes joining simple and doesn't require them to be on your friends list. Once your friend accepts, a Remote Play Together panel appears in the overlay. This is where you control access. You can enable or disable their ability to use your keyboard, mouse, or controller. For example, if your game is best with controllers, grant controller access and turn off mouse and keyboard to prevent accidental clicks. You can adjust these permissions at any time during the session, which is helpful if you are switching roles or hot seating. If you notice lag, lower your in-game graphics settings or close background downloads to free bandwidth on the host. A wired connection on the host side generally gives everyone a smoother experience. That's it. Have fun teaming up from anywhere, and thanks for watching.